Welcome to this demonstration video on the New South Wales Online Registry. This demonstration will briefly step you through the online process for filing a statement of claim without legal representation.
An introductory web page.
A statement of claim, which is UCPR Form 3A or 3B, is used to start a civil court case when you're seeking payment from another party. Help is provided throughout this form and can be viewed by clicking the blue help icons. Before commencing a claim, you may wish to contact Law Access New South Wales or see information about statements of claim on the Law Assist website. To make a claim, you will need to indicate what relief you wish to claim, which is the outcome you desire. Select the type of relief claim you wish to make. Additional information on the types of relief you can claim can be found in the help content. In this example, we'll be making a motor vehicle damages liquidated claim.
It's selected from a drop-down list.
Depending on the type of relief being claimed, different fields will display. Enter the total amount of the claim. Your claim will automatically be filed into the correct court jurisdiction, which depends on the relief type and/or the amount of your claim. However, you will need to select the court location where you want your case to be filed.
The example user selects Sydney from a drop-down list of locations.
For this claim, the list type will automatically be determined as the Small Claims Division for motor vehicles. Select the type of claim. The type of claim you select is a brief description of the main legal issue you are asking the court to determine. The types of claim available in this form vary depending on the relief claim you've selected.
This time, it's torts negligence.
If required, there's additional information on things you may need to know to file this form. There are two options to file this form online. You can upload a completed version of the form or fill out the form online. If you do not already have a completed PDF version of your statement of claim, select the option to fill out the answers online. Click Next to continue.
Plaintiffs.
Enter the details for the plaintiff. The plaintiff is the person who is making the claim, and in this example is ourselves. As this information is transferred directly to the court, you must make sure the details entered here are accurate.
An email address is entered for plaintiff David Smith and a street number of 50, with the street name being George.
The most common street types are located at the top of this list.
The name street is selected from a drop-down list, then the postcode and suburb.
If you require support services, click Yes here. Support services include services for physical, cognitive, psychiatric or other disabilities. Select any services required from this list. However, you should be aware that not all services are available at all court locations.
No services are required.
You can add additional plaintiffs by clicking here, then entering their details. Click Next to continue.
Defendants.
Enter the details for the defendant. The defendant is the person, organisation or company which is the subject of this legal action. If the defendant is a business or organisation, select Organisation here. You will then need to enter either their Australian business number, their ABN, or Australian company number, the ACN. For this example, we'll select an individual.
The individual's name is entered as Darren Bates, with an address of 20 Pitt Street and a postcode of 2000 in the suburb of Sydney. At the base of the form are two options for the service method.
This form needs to be formally served upon or given to the defendant. Select Posted by the Registry if you want the court to post the statement of claim to the defendant. Please note there is a fee associated with this option. Select Served by Plaintiff to make your own arrangements for the statement of claim to be served. Please note there are rules for serving the statement of claim yourself. Refer to Law Access for more information on these rules.
Add another defendant.
You can add additional defendants by clicking here, then entering their details. Click Next to continue.
Claim details.
The Claim Details screen displays the amount of the claim which you entered previously. It also allows you to enter interest on the claim amount and any service fees incurred if you ask a process server to formally serve the statement of claim to the defendant. Please note that interest cannot be claimed on amounts under $1,000. For information and rules around claiming interest, visit the Law Assist website. Next, you need to enter the pleading details. A pleading sets out the facts you're relying upon for this claim. It should be concise, but must contain enough information for the defendant to understand the claim. If the pleading is over 2,000 characters, you should include it as a PDF attachment when prompted later in this form. If it's less than 2,000 characters, select No and then type the pleading details into the field on this screen. Whether you attach your pleading details or type it on this screen, it will need to be sent out in numbered paragraphs. Refer to the Law Assist website if you need more information.
The example user clicks No and enters the pleading details.
Click Next to continue.
Payment.
Your form is now awaiting payment. Please note that your form has not been submitted to the court until that payment is made. Before submitting your form, you should preview the draft version by clicking the preview icon. If you need to make any changes, you can do this by selecting the edit icon here. To complete the payment and submit the form, select the form, then click Next. This will step you through our secure credit card payment facility. Once your payment has been received, it should only take a few minutes for the court to formally approve your submission, although in some instances it may take up to 10 minutes. When approved, you will receive an email to confirm your submission.
An example.
This email will contain the court-approved statement of claim, which is a PDF document enclosed in a zip file, and a tax invoice for your payment. The court-approved statement of claim will also be available online via the Online Registry website. The court-approved form will contain the court seal and a barcode, and will also contain the pleading details. The statement of claim is valid and able to be served for 6 months after the date it was filed at court. If you opted to serve the statement of claim yourself, you must print the court-approved form and serve it on the defendants. You must wait 28 days from the date of service before any further action can be taken. However, you can track the progress of your claim online. For example, a defence may be filed on your claim. If you need additional legal support or information on serving the defendant with the statement of claim according to the court rules, you should contact Law Access New South Wales. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We hope it's helped guide you through this form. More forms will be made available over time, so please keep an eye on the New South Wales Online Registry homepage for the latest updates.
onlineregistry.lawlink.nsw.gov.au